ask me questions.
Hello.
How close do you want that to myself?
It's not that close.
Here's where Papa shoes. Turn that way.
Alright, where are we going today?
We're going to Jolly Nose State Forest, and since we've been at there last, we've had we've been locked now, and we've got a winch. So I want to test out that right hand side track, and we've done Jolly Nose Hill, the Powerlines track. Have a look at the bonnet in the wind. See, it's bouncing. Anyway, so we're going to go and check that out, because last time we done it we weren't twin locked and we didn't have a winch, and that was the main reason I didn't want to do heaps of things, because we didn't have any proper recovery. So yeah, we're going to go suss that out.
Yeah, some coffee tables on the way back, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Depends if we get stuck on this hill.
Oh, we should be alright.
Is it the one with Ryan?
Yeah.
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 And the other side?
Yeah.
We're almost there, aren't we? Queen's Lake.
It was like meant to be the easiest track.
You can't see, but it's really steep.
Now, we're just going to go map this track out. We haven't been here in 12 months, and we don't really know what's happened. A lot can happen in 12 months. But as you'll see, it's pretty well the same. There's not too much difference in the 12 months from being here and not. The actual big difference was when we found out later, there was a big difference in the track to the left when we come back down. So that had been ratted out a fair bit since. But this one here is pretty well the same. Always wear proper shoes. Don't know why I keep wearing thongs when I go four-bin. That's the go.
Easy.
Yeah. $15.
15?
Yeah.
A few days?
Yeah.
Look comfortable.
Yeah, you look comfy. So why we put the tyres down to 15 psi?
Because our car's really light and the hill's pretty steep, so we want to get as much grip as possible.
That's the go. Perfect.
Safety first.
That's it, strain him up. Go that way a bit. Keep going straight. Yeah, that's alright, that's what it's like. So Pete had her bit of fun up the track, and now it was time for me to take over. It gets a little bit steeper up here, and you can see in the footage, but it's not too bad. So we're just going to jump in and give it a good crack.
Yeah, come to that way a bit more. Yeah, this way.
I did think we were going to be in a little bit of trouble here, but between locked, we let the tyre pressures down to 15 psi, and we still had the winch on the front if we really got into any trouble. So.
Yeah. Just keep going straight. Come this way. A little bit this way. Left. Yeah, just a smidge. Yeah. Now just go straight.
How easy was that? Well, I guess we underestimated how much lockers really do make a difference. Now when you get to the top of this hill and you're coming back down, we come back down the left-hand track. As I said before, it's quite rutted out coming back down, or even coming up it, compared to what it used to be. When you get to the top, you get an awesome view like this, looking straight out over that hill that you just come up, and you can see straight through to the bloody ocean. So, I mean, that took us about 2 hours, and we were well hungry by then. So we decided to drop in at Lake Cat-Eye, get some fish and chips, and enjoy the sunset. We'll see you next time on our little adventures, I guess.